Hello and welcome back to the Coder's Rocket. Today we'll be learning how to use the Gemini API. So let's get started. First, we'll create a Gemini API folder, which I have already created. And then we're going to open the command palette and then create first a new folder called using Gemini. Then we are going to do cd using Gemini. Now we're going to go to aistudio.google.com and then either create new API key or get API key. Then we'll click here and then copy the API key. Now we're going to go and create a .env file inside using Gemini folder, and then we are going to write Gemini underscore API underscore key is equal to, then we'll write our own API key. I've already done it. So then we'll open up the command palette and to pip3 install google hyphen generative AI and click enter. And it's showing here requirement already satisfied because I had already installed it. And then we are going to also install .env. That will be for loading our API key. And you may be asking, why do we need to create a .env file instead of just copy pasting it into the code? That is because if we just copy paste our API key into the code, you never know if a hacker, you can easily just see the API key and use it, and then we'll have to pay for it. So then we're going to close the command palette and create a main.py file and do import google.generative AI as LLMs. And also we're going to import .env, and then we're going to do load underscore .env lol.env to load the .env file, and then we're going to import finally then we're going to what we're going to do is we're going to import OS as OS, and then we are going to do LLM .configure os.get env will get our environment variable, and inside Gemini underscore API underscore key, and then we're going to do model is equal to LLMs dot generative model. We choose our models. We can choose Gemini Pro, Gemini Pro Vision, which is Gemini Pro Vision is basically when you use an API. Gemini Pro Vision it is the multimodal version text based Gemini Pro. Then we're going to do chat is equal to model dot chat start chat. and history will be equal to an empty list. Then we're going to do response is equal to chat dot model, because it's supposed to be model dot chat, I guess. Yeah, model dot chat. Then chat dot generate underscore content. We're going to write what is Python, for example. Okay, what is Python? And then we are going to do print. First of all, print response and Python 3 main NuPy. We're going to run the file. Oh yeah, we're supposed to do API key is equal to configure. Now no attribute chat. I think it's start chat. Yeah. No. Should we generate content? Chat dot. Sorry, chat dot send message. Yeah, that's better. It's not going to respond with the response. I'm not sure to respond. It's taking some time thinking. Gemini is thinking through the API, and it gave us this because this is what it would give, really. So what we had to do actually is we were supposed to do response.text. And we got our answer. Yeah. Got our answer. It's actually got a huge answer. Now finally I want to show you something called fine-tuning. Basically, fine-tuning is the process of giving Gemini or any other LLM as well an input. It's basically giving it like more data to train on, so it will become better at a specific use case. So let's learn how to do that. We're going to aistudio.google.com. And then we're going to do new tune model. I'm going to do test model, and then we can add a description. Not necessary though. I'm going to choose this one, and then here we have advanced settings. We are going to change this to, how about 1000, yeah, 1000 epochs. Going to train 1000 times, regress and again go through the training data 1000 times. And then we're going to do create a structured prompt. You could import it as well, but yeah. Going to do, okay, let's have a use case that we were creating something like, we're going to train this on a data set. Let's go to, I want to go to Hugging Face, or no, let's go to Kaggle. Kaggle is a good website where you can get models and a lot of data sets. Or we could even, let me show you how we would gather if we could not find anything on Kaggle. How would we gather our own data? Let's say that we are fine-tuning Gemini to be able to answer questions about, for example, how about Python, for example. We're going to go top 50, top 100. We can do top 100 questions about Python. We are then going to choose any of these. Okay. Let's open this instead, 50 plus. We don't need those many, that many. Though 500, like 100 examples is really, in a realistic use case, we would need way more data than just 50 data points, 50 input output pairs. We have, but for our use case, not so much. Got it, yes. Now I'm going to do has what I'm going to do now. We're going to just write here. I'm going to change this prompt name to basics. And then we could write what is Python and go on and on again creating more prompts, but we won't do that. Wait, we're gonna go back. I want to go back. Wait, let's just recreate it again. Let's do Python GPT, and the base model will just keep the same. Choose the advanced settings again. I'm going to do 1000, and then now we're going to open Google Sheets and create a new sheet. A blank spreadsheet we're going to create. And then here we are going, wait, oh, I accidentally closed that. Going to now we're going to do here what is Python. Listen, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Copy the question, and then what's happening? Okay, now we're going to go up and copy the answer. Going to just do 2 of them. Not a very serious use case. Or let's just go now with them. Wait. I'm going to do at least 10 of them. Wait, what? happened to this? To reset it. Wait, what's happening? Going to color like this. Fill color black. Wait, no. The texture color will be black. I don't know why it's happening. Doesn't usually happen. Now here we're going to do now here down to copy all of these again. Copy this, yeah. Going to go here and here again. Wait, what did I do? Can we rename this column? Oh no. Here now we're going to do, what's the difference between a set and a dictionary? Just 10, not more. Eighth. What is a list comprehension? Give an example. Going to copy this and then we're going to here put here going to add this code cell markdown. I'm going to and that's that. We're going to now do what's a pass in Python. Pass means performing. Copy this. Going to now do a 10 done. Okay, the 10th one. Going to just okay, a difference between a loop and a while loop. Again. Okay. And here again, here. To copy this. And in here we're going to put this. And saving. Save to drive, import it. We're going to rename this to HS and then do import again. Going to do import again now and wait for it to come up. And yeah, we're going to choose this and insert it. Going to have to disable it. Why was it disabled? Allow pop-ups to allow it. I have a low battery now. Okay, let's do it again. Very painful. The internet speed here is not very good. I'm going to insert this and now wait for this to come up. It's not working. It's literally taking so much time. Let's just close this and let's delete some of these. Going to saved. I'm going to delete everything. And we're just going to now create just one just to demonstrate it. Just going to train it on one piece to quickly demonstrate it. Here, then we're going to paste this in. Wait for it to save. Import it. Insert it. Actually, just leave this. We'll just create a structured prompt. And copy this, the input, and output will be this. As an example. And then we're going to write a prompt. What is Python, even though it's not related to it. Okay, now run the prompt. What's an answer? To just delete this. We don't need a test prompt. Preview. I think we should write it. What does do in Python? And we're going to just run it. Yes, we got a response. Now we're going to save this to Google Drive. Sign in. And saved. Yeah, I saved. And then we're going to write get code. And let's copy it. Okay, now we're going to go to paste it. And down again we're going to run Python main.py. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. We'll have to do import os and import dot env as dot. Now get dot load dot env, and now we're going to do API key is equal to os dot get env Gemini underscore API underscore key. Yeah, and run this again. We'll run it again, and we got our answer. That's all for today, and until next time, bye.